Hey, this is Amber. Thank you for joining me for another video. This one is MCSA Guide to Administering Microsoft Windows Server 2012/R2. And we're doing Activity 5-2, Configuring a VPN in Chapter 5. So we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see here, I've got my 411 Server 2 up. I don't have any of my other ones up. And I've already logged in as the administrator. I'm going to go ahead and right click here on Start. We're going to click on Network Connections. And we're going to click on this one here. Go to Properties. Open that up. There we go. Into our options to set our IP address as 203.0.1, 0.113.1. And we're gonna set the subnet mask. Looks like it's already in there, so 255.255.255.0. And then we're gonna leave our default gateway and the DNS server. And we're gonna go ahead and hit OK. Open up our server manager here. I'm going to click on Tools. And Routing and Remote Access. We're going to let that load. And we're going to right click on this server 411 server 2 local and click configure and enable routing and remote access. We're going to click next. And then in the configuration window here, we're going to go ahead and accept the default settings, which is remote access, dial-up, or VPN. We're going to hit next. We're going to, in the remote access window here, we're going to click on VPN to configure the server to accept VPN connections, and then we're going to click next. And then in the VPN connection window, we're going to click to select the interface that connects to the internet. Okay. And we're going to leave this enable security on the selected interface by setting up static packet filters, and we're going to hit next. And then in the IP address assignment window, click from a specified range of addresses. And then we're going to click next. Okay, and then in this section here in the address assignment window, we're going to click New. And then in the Start IP Address text box, we're going to type in 10.11.0.100. And then in the number of addresses, we're going to type 10. And then we're going to click OK. And then we're going to hit Next. And then we're going to click, let's see here. And then in the Managing Multiple Remote Access Servers window, we're going to accept the default setting, which is no use routing and remote access to authenticate connections request. And we're going to hit Next here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click Finish. And then we'll get this error message here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit OK. And we're going to hit OK again. And that's just about DHCP. And then you'll see here that it's completing that initialization. And it's done. You'll see here there's a green instead of the red. And that's everything.